Want to earn extra cash with AI side hustles? Here are 5 profitable ideas you can dive into right now. First up, book writing. With tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney, and Canva, you can create engaging stories without any prior experience. Next, consider YouTube automation. Use ChatGPT for script writing and Pictory for video creation, it's a breeze. If you're into photography, sell stock images made with MidJourney on Adobe Stock. It's a great way to monetize your creativity. Then there's print on demand. Design unique products on Etsy using MidJourney, and watch your ideas come to life. Finally, explore AI podcasting. Capture engaging audio with ChatGPT and 11 Labs, and share your voice with the world. These side hustles are not just fun, they can help you earn extra cash while you study. Start your journey today.